Medical Practice Center, Laura Smith speaking. How can I help you? Medical Practice Center, Laura Smith speaking. How can I help you?
Good morning, Mrs. Smith. My name is Carlos Gómez. Good morning, Mrs. Smith. My name is Carlos Gómez.
Good morning, Mr. Gomez. How can I help you? Good morning, Mr. Gomez. How can I help you?
I'm ill. I'm ill. I feel unwell. I feel unwell. I don't feel good. I don't feel good.
Would you like to book an appointment? Would you like to book an appointment?
Yes, I would like to book an appointment. Yes, I would like to book an appointment.
Is this your first time as a patient with us? Is this your first time as a patient with us?
No, I've been with you several times. No, I've been with you several times.
What is the name of your doctor? What is the name of your doctor?
John Willis? John Willis?
Could you give me your health insurance number, please? Could you give me your health insurance number, please?
My health insurance number is 604-378-2195. My health insurance number is 604-378-2195.
What are your symptoms? What's the matter? What are your symptoms? What's the matter?
I've got a headache. I've got a headache. My head hurts. My head hurts. I've got abdominal pain. I've got abdominal pain. My stomach hurts. My stomach hurts. My throat hurts. My throat hurts. My back hurts. My back hurts. My ears hurt. My ears hurt. I've been stung by a bee. I've been stung by a bee. I can't breathe properly now. I can't breathe properly now. I'm having difficulty breathing. I'm having difficulty breathing. My eyes are swollen. My eyes are swollen. My eyes are inflamed. My eyes are inflamed. I have a fever. I have a fever. I've got a cold. I've got a cold. I feel unwell. I feel unwell. I'm dizzy. I'm dizzy. I feel weak and tired. I feel weak and tired. I have no energy. I have no energy. I have an allergy. I have an allergy. I have a rash. I have a rash. I can't swallow properly. I can't swallow properly. I've had to vomit. I've had to vomit. I have diarrhea. I have diarrhea. There's blood in my urine. There's blood in my urine. I've had a fall. I've had a fall. Now my leg hurts. Now my leg hurts. Now my knee hurts. Now my knee hurts. Now my hip hurts. Now my hip hurts. I can't move my knee properly now. I can't move my knee properly now. I had knee surgery a year ago. I had knee surgery a year ago. I had knee surgery 2 years ago. I had knee surgery 2 years ago. It hurts there now. It hurts there now.
One moment, I'll check when Dr. Willis is available. One moment, I'll check when Dr. Willis is available. The day after tomorrow, Wednesday, at 1 in the afternoon. The day after tomorrow, Wednesday, at 1 in the afternoon.
No. That's too late. No. That's too late. It's urgent. It's urgent. It's an emergency. It's an emergency. I'm in a lot of pain. I'm in a lot of pain. I can't wait. I can't wait. Can't it be earlier? Can't it be earlier? I need an appointment today. I need an appointment today.
Dr. Willis is fully booked. If it's urgent, Dr. Terrace has an appointment free in an hour. Dr. Smith is fully booked. If it's urgent, Dr. Terrace has an appointment free in an hour.
At 9:30. At 9:30.
Yes. Yes.
Perfect, thank you very much. Perfect, thank you very much.
Very well. I'll register you with Dr. Terrace for 9:30. Very well. I'll register you with Dr. Terrace for 9:30.
Would you like to learn English in an easy and fun way? Subscribe to our channel. There's a new video every Sunday.